Well, welcome back to another Uncle Keith's Paint Shop video, and as you can see, a bronze FN2 in the house, and this one's, well, it's having quite a bit, so let's go find Keith. Here he is. What are we doing, Keith?
Painting some liquid gold.
Liquid gold? Yeah, so we've seen these alloys before, haven't we? We've actually painted these previously.
Yeah.
But because the colour of the car is changing, so is the colour of the alloys, to be a contrast.
Yeah.
So I think I'll come back when we've got a bit of colour going on something.
See what's what.
See what's what.
Come back here and watch the window.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so we're back in the booth and it's having some repairs done, as you can see, before it goes a different colour. He's got some bits masked off, some bits not masked off. Check that out. Yep. Here's our Keith. It's got a bit of a favourite colour with the gun. That's right. Oh, it's not. That looks like black primer.
It makes sense, it's a black car.
Black car, and it's getting black layered, so
black, so
yeah,
it makes
yeah.
sense to be black.
Alright, okay, alright. Alright, clever clogs. Beautiful, Bernard.
Oh, look at that. Wonderful. Only wants a smart primer here and there. We don't want more primer everywhere.
Alright, we get the general idea, dude.
Any full panels at this point.
I got ya. I got ya. Okay, this glorious FN2 is in the oven and it looks like it's about ready to hit with some lovely liquid wraps. It's a lot of hard work's gone into this one so far. Now, normally on a liquid wrap, and I'm sure Richard will speak about this at the end, as will Keith, normally on a liquid wrap, we're doing a lot of quotes based on the car being mint before we start. This one needed some repairs. So, as you can see, it's pretty much ready to rock and roll, I think. So next time, we shall see something in the gun, I hope. And as we were talking about repairs, as you can see on this particular FN2, again, everything's off it, trims are off it. Repairs have been done where needed on side skirts and bumpers. Yeah, it's like a big exploded diagram of an FN2. Hey, okay. Bit of shiny in the good. It's all liquid wrap matte black now.
Like mud.
Yeah, it does look like mud. Well, there we go.
Oh, so what?
Let's
need to do the full side all in one piece.
Rightio, I'll get right back down here then. Come back in a bit. We're back in the booth, and as you can see, the colour is on. And it certainly is on as well. And now it's time for Keith to hit it with a bit of shiny. Keith, what do you reckon so far?
I just looked at your phone. I can see a colour in your phone that I can't see when I look at it.
I know, it's amazing. It's a very strange one.
Shall I lacquer the bonnet up?
Yeah, I think so.
And then
I think so.
I'll carry on round and
Yeah, now the bonnet's actually carbon fibre.
Carbon fibre.
Carbon's fibre. So yeah, okay. Obviously, bearing in mind that that's carbon fibre, obviously this is metal. But okay, well,
there's probably a few wobbles in that.
that's what
That's
the weave of the carbon fibre. They're not perfectly flat like a normal panel. I'm looking forward to seeing this wing. Right, ready when you are, young man.
Do you want me to do half the bonnet and across that wing then?
No, let's just do whatever you wanted to do because
No, I want you to be happy.
I'm happy, man. I want you to be happy in your working environment. Oh wow.
Wow, that colour there, I've never seen before. That's awesome. What colour is that?
That is awesome. That's absolutely phenomenal. It's like a glossy green apple, my friend. Wow. Wowza. That looks ace. Well, she's a beauty. Look at that. What a colour. That's something else. It really is. Can't wait to see it all built up again. Beautiful. Well, having a bit of a look round. Bumpers, side skirts, arch panels, bumper, big rear bumper. Now Keith is going to come in and hit this with the special shiny lacquer. So let's find Keith. Ooh. See some magic.
Shiny.
A bit of shiny.
Different day.
Different day,
The next
yeah.
day.
Because you've got a different hat on. Well, where are you starting?
On this bumper.
Go for it.
Go on this bumper.
Okay, let's have it. Oh yeah.
Change this before your
I
eyes.
know,
don't
it's
it?
beautiful. Wowza. Right, crack on with the rest of it then, Barry.
Yeah, I'll go.
Yeah, alright. Here we go. Red door reveal. Into the sunshine. How many colours can you see? Oh, wowza. So many colours are revealed in the sun. So many different colours. Let's have a walk round it.